Welcome back to the channel. Now I have to go on with the work or try to investigate why the 120 Land Cruiser is getting the engine light and say the turbo pressure is wrong. So just have to start. See here, if I'm going to move it, it's kind of hopeless. Last video I was trying to clean up this filter. That did not help. Now I have to try to change the sensor. This sensor is supposed to be held on with 2 screws. I ruined my clips here when I was trying to take it off. Now I got a new sensor, so I just have to take it out and see. Here I have a new sensor, come from Hjalp. It's a very simple thing. Here, a 10mm bolt. Then let's just remove the sensor. There, put it back. I was thinking it's supposed to be 2 screws. Here it's just a holder is out, so it's only 1 screw. I was thinking I was missing one. But that wasn't the truth. This is the map sensor that is sending information about the turbo pressure to the computer in the car. Let's set up the turbo as I understand it. There, that one was changed. Just clip in, but of course I was trying to do that when it was cold in the weather. That was not smart, so I ruined it. There, that sensor is in right place. I'm not sure if my old sensor is ruined or not, because I'm not sure if when I cleaned up the filter if that was getting good enough. New map sensor is put in the car. Just trying to start. I'm not sure if I have to leave it on for a little while before it finds what it's supposed to do. It is not coming as it should. It still could be the filter. I ordered new filters, but yeah. Problem now is, does anybody have any ideas? Because starting to changing turbo and things before I have find out about this, I'm not sure. New filters are on the way from China. So yeah, that I'm going to change. I tried to look at the piping and things on this, and it don't looks like it's something wrong there. But of course I'm just trying to turn it off and turn it on. Yeah, Then I just was in reading of the code again, and the P0045 Turbo Supercharged Boost Control Solenoid Circuit open is still there. The issues are being cleared. Some of the light went away. And everything just jumped back. Any ideas? Please, that would help me a lot. And please put a like on my videos, help me a little there. Start subscribing to the channel if you have a Land Cruiser 120 series. Then I have, put on the fan here. I have 89, or this is the video number 19 only about Land Cruiser 120s. So yeah, please come back. I can't use this car now. I'll come a lot of dark smoke. Maybe the turbo, I'm not sure. Maybe that the turbo is not going up as it should because of this problem. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. I just have to take things piece by piece here. Okay. I'm trying to come with updates right away when I have found out anything more. I have new filters. Maybe the cleaning of the small map filter wasn't working. New filters are coming, so I just have to try to change that and see. Of course, if that filter is clogged up, the sensor don't get the right pressure. I understand that, so I have to try it. Okay, please come back. Please help me with ideas and put likes and follow my channel. Thank you.